Illum qed nagħmlu intervista b'differenza. Fil-fatt qiegħed f'nofs il-bajja ta' Marsa Xlokk tgħiduli xemm speċjali. Speċjali li qiegħed ġo xarabank, jew Amphibian Coach kif sejħilha sida, u miegħi għandi il-George Smith li iddiżinja u bena propju din l-Amphibian Coach. George, came from Scotland, retired here in Malta, and then all of a sudden you had this dream.
Yeah.
Tell me a bit about how the concept of this Amphibian Coach actually started.
Well, we wanted a business in Malta, so we decided to look at various things. We came up with this concept. We then looked at various ones all over the world and decided that there wasn't a proper one. So we decided the only answer was for us to design and build one to European standards in order so that it can be certified and used all over Europe.
When did this start?
Oh, it's been a 3-year project. It's been, all design, all trials, everything. But we are now complete with this. This is now over.
I presume a marine engineer actually laid the plan?
Of course, marine architects, Alistair Salmon and Company, UK architects, marine architects, they laid out the drawings of the hull. It's built to Lloyd's of London standard. It's also going for a European standard certification on the hull alone. But the vehicle overall for the road is already certified.
So essentially you're using the normal chassis and engine from a standard coach. And then you constructed the top part that gives it the buoyancy and obviously the space for passengers, etc. Is that in simple terms how it works?
Yeah, in simple terms, yes. The reason for using the chassis, etc., is that it's already European certified. The chassis and the engine to Euro 4 standards. It saves a lot in certification problems. The hull has to be manufactured from marine grade aluminium 5083, absolute best aluminium. The hull is 6mm thick, very strong. But it has to be designed this way. You can't cut corners with it.
And with the top part of the bus, you actually build a section of it and you had it tested for rolling over?
Yes. It's called the R66. It's a UN ECE regulation that shows that the coach, if it fell over in a crash onto its roof, the passenger compartment would stay intact. It would not crush passengers.
Okay, and obviously you
passed no problems at all. No.
How do you actually transfer the power from the engine to propel the Amphibian Coach forward?
Well, the same engine is used for the marine as well as the road use. It gets transferred via hydraulic units which actually operate on pumps and motors which are on the propeller system. It's a ducted propeller system, means the propeller's in a tube to give us more power, and these hydraulic motors drive it, but they drive it via the main engine.
Right. And what about steering? I don't think the normal steering.
No, we have hydroelectronic steering plus backup systems. It's got actual 4 sets of steering for the marine side of it, just in case a fault happens in the electrics. The hydraulics take over. If there's a fault in the hydraulics, we have a manual system which allows us to steer the vehicle until it can, be repaired.
What about the seaworthiness?